Hey folks, Wausau Siete. So I've got some flakes here, and I've got dude is I don't know how to. It's less than a business card thick. Uh, it's about a business card thick, maybe a little bit thicker. Another very thin. This Novaculite. This is actually green Novaculite. It's a chip off the one and only piece that I have that I bypass. This is Oklahoma Novaculite. Not heat treated, doesn't need to be heat treated. For whatever reason, this Novaculite just don't need to be. It's green Novaculite, which I was having a hard time identifying that, and actually Curtis Smith identified it as green Novaculite, which is, it's an oddity. If you ever found that source of that stuff, well, you'd really be that would just be fantastic. And that's a little piece of Buffalo River. Probably not going to get flakes all the way across on these. I don't care. I'm just going to make some little points and see how it goes. We'll see. I think we'll start with that one. Might break some of them. I'll put my other glasses on. This is all going to be detail work. Probably all pressure flaking. So anyways, we're in the middle of a thunderstorm here. Couldn't decide what to nap. I got a piece of Buffalo River here. I've just been dying to nap. I mean, look at the colors in that. Pretty cool. And then I cut this green hornstone nodule. Been really wanting to nap it also. So decided to do some flakes. I just shot a video. It's uploading now, so you'll be seeing it before this one. I made a Snyder's. I don't have any depth perception with these reader glasses on. I may just break this, I don't know. Thought maybe I could have used the anvil stone again, I guess. I snapped two of those points from the preforms from the anvil stone video we did. Then we finished a point from the preforms. Well, anyways, I snapped two of those today, actually. So yep, I snap them just like everyone else, probably more than most people. Get us a little freeform going here. Doggone, I'm out of frame. Stick with me. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna keep it in frame. It's cool outside right now. This thunderstorm came in and the weather cooled off, but it's actually cold in this shop. I'm not complaining because last summer, man, whew, doggone, it was hot in here. I was so doggone miserable. Let's see. Just broke it. I was just putting too much pressure on it with my hand. I broke it with my hand. I didn't break it with anything else. That was just me pressing too hard. That's exactly how I broke the other two also. I caught myself doing it, just pressing too hard with this, with my offhand. The thing that I always say, don't do that. That's usually what happens when we start breaking them. It's usually just something simple that we just changed that we're doing, like putting pressure with your holding hand, which is something that you should not do. There's just no pressure required there. Just all you're doing is just barely holding it. Like there's no pressure, just holding it in there. I just chipped a piece right on off that. Super thin back here on this back. That's totally drifted off somewhere else right there. I don't know where, but somewhere. Thinking about other stuff and forgot I was even filming. Even as unrefined as that is, you wouldn't want that ran through you. You would be having a really bad day if you did. That would ruin your day for sure. Looking forward to doing some filming in the leather shop. I'm looking forward to spending a few days in the leather shop. I was trying to break it up between the rock shop and the leather shop, you know, so I could do a little bit of both, but honestly it's been so busy with the rock shop and stuff here lately that I just haven't been doing as much leather, but I need to get back to it. I need to get back to it. It's got a little bit of a, it has a little bit of a curve to it. More on this side than the other side. It's a little thicker on this side. Not by a lot, but it is thicker. I straightened her out some. Thinking maybe I should take a couple of flakes off of try and run a couple of thinning flakes on this side. Now we're a little more uniform thickness. That tip's pretty fragile. Whole thing's pretty fragile, really. Definitely would be a one and done point. Just about perfect for, well, it's got to be smaller than ½ inch for my blowgun. I think it's still bigger than that. I lost my symmetry doing that. We were pretty symmetrical when I did those thinning flakes and made some adjustments, then I wasn't so symmetrical anymore. blew right on out of there, didn't it? I know everyone's got a big old pile of flakes around like this. And if you've been napping anytime, like you don't even have to be napping anytime to already have a big pile of flakes. I went through over 200 pounds of flakes sorting them the other day. Got rid of everything that I didn't seem worthy to me to have around, and it's probably about 200 pounds of good workable flakes. That'll make probably... Oh no, I just broke the tip clean off of it. I had that tip just about how I wanted it too. At least I thought I did. I gotta practice making some little points smaller than this, actually, I think, because it's gonna make some earrings for a friend. Well, for a friend's wife. Probably pretty good on that one. The edge could be a little sharper. Yeah, this is in preparation for my earring points. Which is going to be made from root beer chert off of their property. So alright, there's one of them. It's a cool little point. Maybe the size of a dime or something like that. Let's see. So I think we're going to call it quits on this one right here. Actually, we're like 20 something minutes into it, 30 minutes. And I'm going to call it quits on that one. I'm not going to do these other ones. Just going to do this one right now, and then I'm going to work on something else. So I think I'm probably going to shoot a video working on this piece of hornstone, but I think we're going to call it quits on that one. It's a neat little Buffalo River point. But appreciate y'all watching, and y'all hit that like and subscribe button if you would. We'll catch you on the next one. Keep napping. Maybe, if I can get out of here. Alright, now I'm really leaving for sure. Keep napping.